How to upload and share files on Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign into your Google account if you haven't already. If you want to keep your files organized, click New. Then select New Folder and create a folder for the files you want to share. Open the folder once it's created. Now, there are two ways to upload files. Click New. Then choose File Upload and select the files from your computer. You can also simply drag and drop your files directly into the Google Drive folder, and they'll begin uploading automatically. Once your files have finished uploading, right-click the folder or file, then click Share. Under General Access, click Restricted and change it to anyone with the link if needed. Click Copy Link and share that link with anyone you know. That's how you can upload and share files on Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Drive and Gmail tips. Thanks for watching.